Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the 7-water L-shaped desk, which is massive. This thing is really big. This thing is 50 inches, and I'm going to show it to you in a few seconds on a close-up. But the thing about this one is actually it's reversible. You can actually change the shape. You can make this to be the longer table, the 50 inches table, or you can actually make this to be the 50 inches table. That way, this thing right here, this kind of like shelf unit, it can be reversible. You can put on this side as well. But this is a really big desk. I'm going to show it to you in a few seconds, but first I want to actually talk about the assembly process. The assembly process was not bad. This is the whole kind of like instruction manual with all the assembly process and the assembly steps. It wasn't bad. I think it took like an hour, I want to say, with power tools. It's not terrible, but this is a unit with tons of metal parts that you need to make sure that you put them together nice and easy. But the thing about this kind of like all these metal parts is that it has a really nice firm structure. That's what I want to say about this. It's kind of like reinforced everywhere with the metal parts right here and the X-shaped legs and the U-shape there as well. I think that's actually pretty good. But let's stop talking and let me actually show it to you on a close-up. So the first thing, besides the carbon fiber wrap, which I think it's really cool, and besides the metal frame right here on the sides, is this thing right here, this shelf unit. This is tall enough to actually put your PC case. If you have a personal computer with a big case, you can actually put it in here. And in this one, you can actually put some other things like paper sheet for the kind of like the printer. If you have a printer as well, you can put it as well right here. You can put it in here. You can put many other things, but having kind of like a shelf unit, I think is actually really cool. Then let's talk about this long table right here. Again, more carbon fiber, which I think it looks amazing. And this, by the way, you can take it out if you want. Both monitor races, you can take them out. And here's the thing about this one. I tested it out with two 27-inch monitor and two 32-inch monitor, and this is enough. But having this right here, the monitor riser, I think it's for smaller monitors. If you have big monitors, again, like a 27 or 32 inches, or you have one big 49-inch display, like curved inch display, I wouldn't put this. I wouldn't just kind of like remove them, and that will be the best way to do it. And by the way, if you flip the tables, you will have to also put this one to make it continuous, but that's pretty much it. It's super easy to do. Everything is explained, but I put it on the side to show you that you will have to put that one there to make this a whole continuous monitor rises. But again, you can take them out for sure. You will have the holes right here on your table, but other than that, you can just take them out and have a big table right here on both sides. And some other things that I think that are pretty cool, but again, they're optional. You have a cup holder right here, and you have this for two headsets if you want. You want on the inside, one on the outside. And I didn't actually put the lights because I don't want to use lights with this, but if you want, you can use this, which is included, and you can wrap it along all the way the monitor rises right here, put the table in the middle of it, and just keep putting them along the other table and have this really nice set of lights, which I'm gonna turn them on right now. And you can switch the colors, you can dim them, you can flip the modes, you can do many other things, which I think it's pretty cool. And this kind of like have a sticky pad that you can put it right here underneath the tables. Last but not least, right here, you will have your power outlet, which I think is the most convenient thing to have in such a big desk, so you don't have messy cables and things like that. And you will find 2 USB ports, 1 USB-C, and 4 regular outlets. This thing right here, and the cable is actually pretty long. It's really long to actually use it on a wall if you want. And you can actually take a look to the structure right there, the metal structure and the U-shaped structure as well. It's super firm and will have a really nice and solid structure for your desk. So one more time, this carbon fiber wrap 50 inches L-shaped desk with shelf unit, power outlet, cup holder, headset holder, RGB lights, monitor risers, and a really nice and firm structure. I think it's really good for a double setup, like a multiple setup display. You can put your laptop in here, for example, and you can put your computer here with the case right here and your 2 monitors or big monitor. And I think that will be pretty good for this exact setup, like this really nice desk that you can actually flip and put this on the other side. And once you're there, you can see that you can work kind of like put yourself underneath the desk pretty comfortably. This is a long desk, this is a big desk. Again, the assembly process wasn't super bad, just will need power tool for sure and some time, like an hour or 45 minutes though. I like it, I do recommend it, super big, and for sure looks really nice with the carbon fiber. Thanks for watching, thumbs up for this product, and I'll see you soon.